In this video, I'll show you how to create a working web app using Perplexity. You might know Perplexity for its AI search features and AI browser capabilities, but it's not just limited to those functions. There are many more features inside Perplexity that most people are unaware of, and one of the most powerful is Perplexity Labs. This feature allows you to tackle complex projects on your behalf, crafting everything from reports and spreadsheets to dashboards and simple web apps backed by extensive research and analysis. I created a web app that allows you to generate text-to-speech using an API key, and the craziest part is that it gave me a working app using just a single small prompt in one attempt without any errors. Even Lovable, which is one of the best AI web coding tools available, wasn't able to do it on the first attempt and required a few additional fixes to make the web app work. That should give you an idea of how powerful this feature is. To get started, all you need to do is visit the official Perplexity website. You can access it through any browser, or you can even open the Comet browser just like I'm using right now. Next, you'll give the prompt for the web app you want to build. In my case, I'll paste a prompt that says, "Build me a web app to generate voices using Cartesia AI." The user can bring in their own API key, use all the latest settings. Right at the bottom, you need to select the Labs option and then click Enter. Now it will start creating the web app. While it's working, we'll go to Cartesia and create our API key. This is Cartesia AI's dashboard. It's basically an AI tool that allows you to generate text-to-speech, similar to what 11 Labs does. Once you're here, create your free account, and after you create your account, this will be your dashboard. Click on the API keys option at the bottom and then click the New button on top. Here you'll need to give a description for your API key. Let's say I'll give it a description like Project 1 and then click Create. The API key has been generated, so now you can copy this API key and go back to Perplexity. The code is still generating, so we'll have to wait until it completes the web app. Within a few seconds, it has completely generated our web app. Right on top, you have an option to enter the API key. I'll paste the API key we copied from Cartesia AI and then click Save API Key. Our API key has been successfully saved. If I scroll below, you can see we have an option to enter our transcript, and it already has some text inside it. Just for demo purposes, I won't change it. Below that, we have a few voice controls using Sonic 3, which is the latest AI text-to-speech model. You have the option to control the speed of the voice that will be generated, and you can even select the volume and emotion. Let's select Angry as the emotion. Now let's scroll below to the Generate Voice option and click on it. It's now generating our voice, and we haven't faced any errors. Within a few seconds, it has completely generated our voiceover. Let me play it.
Welcome to Cartesia Sonic. This is an amazing voice synthesis technology that can speak with natural emotion and expression.
The voice sounds great, but one thing I noticed is that it hasn't kept our emotion set to angry, so that might be an error. Otherwise, it's working completely fine. You have a download option right here where you can click to download your audio, or you can click on the three dots and select the download option. Your audio file has been downloaded. If there are any errors in this app, you can enter those errors to fix them, and those changes will be made in your web app, giving you a completely working application. This is just one feature of Perplexity Labs, and there are many more. If you want to watch a detailed video on some insane use cases for Perplexity's Comet AI browser, click on the video appearing on your screen.